What's up everyone, I'm Jason. Today I'm going to show you how to make perfectly reverse seared T-bone steaks, just like these. Ooh. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of olive oil to our steaks so we can have our seasoning stick. And I'm using just a salt, pepper, and garlic blend. Make sure you put plenty of seasoning on, especially with big pieces of meat like this. And we want to get both sides. And I'm going to put my meat probe in the thickest part of one of these pieces. I'm going to stay away from the bone. Here we go in our preheated oven. We're preheated at 275. Put this in. Probe. And we're going to let that go until it gets to an internal temp of 120. There you can see our meat temp's 58 degrees and we're going to 120. Cooking at 275. All right, we hit 120. Right, these smell amazing. They don't look the most appetizing, but after we put a nice sear on them from the hot pan, they're gonna look amazing. All right, we've got our pan heating up. We're gonna cook with some beef tallow. All right, into our steaks. All right, we're going to give them a flip. We're going to make sure we get the sides seared too. Let's cut this T-bone apart and see what we got. It smells so amazing. Ooh. Cut this little fillet piece up. So tender, so delicious.